Breakout areas are pre-built voice zone templates that are ready for you to use out of the box. Each breakout area comes pre-equipped with Breakroom's conferencing tools, enabling voice chat, video streaming, and screen sharing. We are now going to briefly take a look at each of these templates. The Breakroom Showcase booth. This booth includes bookshelves, tables, and plenty of wall space to display promotional materials. A great choice for vendors and conference exhibitors, allowing them to generate excitement about their products and meet with potential clients. The Breakroom Breakout Area A. Forward-facing stools allow users to focus on streaming video or presenter screens, making this an ideal breakout space for smaller presentations, group discussions, and material review. The media screen located at the front of the booth appears when webcam streaming or screen share is enabled and disappears when not in use. The Breakroom Breakout Area B. A central roundtable facilitates friendly networking sessions or face-to-face power meetings, making this a great breakout space for collaborative work. The media screen located at the front of the booth appears when webcam streaming or screen share is enabled and disappears when not in use. The Breakroom Workshop. Comfortable chairs face the media presentation area, while the two guest chairs located beneath it draw attention to honored guests or delegates. Great for focused group workshops, facilitated group discussion, and speaker panels. The media screen located at the front of the booth appears when webcam streaming or screen share is enabled and disappears when not in use. The Breakroom Low Poly Office. An airy office space full of quirky details. The conference table plus overflow seating makes this a great breakout space for team meetings. The media screen located on the wall appears when webcam streaming or screen share is enabled by a user, and plenty of wall space makes this an ideal area for multi-user video conferencing. The Breakroom Help Desk. A sleek and minimalist help desk designed to complement a variety of venue aesthetics. Here, staff can welcome and orient visitors through voice chat, text chat, and video. The help desk item's zone name will default to entrance. This will automatically tie it into the general navigation bar. By changing the zone name, you can create your own custom voice zone. The Breakroom Networking Area. A selection of eclectic, comfortable furniture arranged specifically for networking. Use the region editor to remove any seats and decorative items you don't need or leave as is.